guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So believe it or not, breakfast really is my favorite meal of the day, only because I just really enjoy the food. I really like, pancakes and waffles and, different stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how to make not the typical pancake. I'm going to show you how to make a lemon ricotta pancake. And if that sounds good to you, then you may want to stick around and see how I make it. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. Your support means everything to me. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So I'm going to start off by zesting 1 lemon, and it's going to be around 1 tablespoon. Lemon is just something that I just love to keep around. I use it in different recipes and water. It just adds a level of brightness to whatever recipe that you use. And after squeezing it just a little bit, I'm going to squeeze around a tablespoon of some fresh lemon juice. Okay, so let's make the pancake batter. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add around 2½ cups of flour, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is going to add some lift to your pancakes, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt to balance everything out. And just grab a whisk and just mix everything together. So that was the dry ingredients, so let's put together the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, I'm going to crack and scramble 4 eggs. And now I'm going to add 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. And just mix the eggs and the ricotta cheese together until it's fully incorporated and smooth. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of whole milk, but you know what? If you have almond milk or buttermilk, it works just as good. And now it's time to add the fresh lemon juice and the zest to the batter. And at the very end, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And now I'm ready to add and whisk both the dry and wet ingredients together. So my batter is done, and let's go over to the stove so we can start making some pancakes. My grill has been heating up. I sprayed some nonstick spray, and you can start making some pancakes. You can make them however big or small that you like. Just wait a couple of minutes, and when you see the bubbles form, you can just give it a good flip, and look how golden brown and amazing they look. And just continue to make as many pancakes as you like. So my pancakes are done, and now I'm going to make a delicious blueberry topper. So in a saucepan, I'm going to add 12 ounces of fresh blueberries, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon zest, and 1/4 cup of water. And then you want to bring it up to a boil, and then you want to bring it down to a low simmer for 10 minutes. And don't forget to continue to stir it so it doesn't stick or burn. So if you love pancakes the way I do, this recipe is an absolute treat. And then to top it off with some blueberries, it just takes this recipe to a whole other level. And of course, you can't forget about the syrup, and why not be a little bit more extra? Let's sprinkle some powdered sugar on top. So you should definitely treat yourself to these lemon ricotta pancakes with this delicious blueberry topping. I promise you guys are gonna absolutely love it. But that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me, take a picture on Instagram. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now wait, you guys, before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button down at the bottom. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.